how to save contacts or phone numbers in SIM card. In this video, I will show you two methods to do this. Methods number 1. First, go to your phone application. Then tap to open it. Now, I will save a contact from my recent dialing section. For this, choose a number that you want to save. I choose this number. Then, click the arrow icon on the right side of the number and tap on the new. Now, click the drop-down icon top of the screen. Here, you can see all of SIM card that you insert in your phone. You can choose by selecting where you want to save. In my case, I have 2 SIM card and some of my Google account. I choose SIM 1 to save the number. Now, type a name for the contact number in the name field. Remember, the name must be unique. Now, tap on the right sign on top of the screen. Congratulations, you successfully saved a contact. Now, let's go to the second method. First, tap on the keypad icon. Now, type the phone number which is you want to save. Now, tap on the new contact on top of the screen. Then, do the same process that I showed you before. Thanks for watching.